Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clear the cache data of your Instagram application. Now, it's a very simple process, so make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Now, there are two ways how you can do this. Firstly, just simply hold the application and you will find the option for app information. Click on that. Then over there you will find clear data. Click on that. And over there you will find clear cache. Now, in some devices, you might not have the option for app info directly from holding the application. So I'm going to show you a different way. Now, what you have to do is just simply go to your phone settings, search for apps, then just simply open the apps, click on manage apps. Then in the search panel, just simply search for Instagram, then open it. And then again, you will come to the app info page. Now over there, what you have to do is just simply click on clear data and then clear cache and then just simply hit OK. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.